everybody. My first new video since last year when I got home from the Sturgis motorcycle rally. And here we are. I posted a lot of different videos from some trips from the past, back before YouTube and stuff, over the winter and spring kind of. But anyway, those are all past now, so from now on it's just going to be new content. It's not going to be anything from old ancient days. But anyways, this video is to tell you about that the Sturgis 2020 motorcycle rally is coming up, and I'll be leaving pretty soon on August 1st. I'm going to be heading out there through August 16th. I'm going to be going through the Badlands and over to Sturgis, and of course doing all this motorcycle rally stuff. And this year, it's the 80th, and this year 2020 has really been something else. This, of course, and totally don't know what to expect as far as the rally is concerned. But regardless, it's going to be quite an experience. Just different. This rally is going to be different from any other rally, ever, I think, because there's just so much variable, so many questionable stuff going on. But anyways, regardless, I'm going. The 2020 Sturgis motorcycle rally is happening, and I'm looking forward to it. And the videos, I'll be, of course, filming during the rally out there, and I'll be getting home August 16th. So I won't be posting any videos until that week, the week of the 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, sometime that week is whenever I'm able to start editing and uploading videos and getting them posted. So that's when you can start looking for my videos. And in years past, I've videoed all in one day and put everything from that one day in one video, and then have time stamps under in the video description for different sections of the video. And right now I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, if I'm going to do it like that this year or have separate videos, shorter videos for like each different thing that I do. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to wing it just to see how things go. This such a mystery this year, and I haven't filmed since last year. So I'm back to square one as far as being rusty. But anyways, right now I'm not. Of course, I'm not in South Dakota right now in Sturgis or the Black Hills. I'm still here in west central Minnesota. This place I'm at is called Phelpsville County Park. Of course, got the dam there, and I showed the mill, from the outside a little while ago. And we'll go over there and take a closer look at the dam, the water coming over after this. So anyways, that's about it that I want to give an update. But anyways, oh yeah, as you notice with my riding, I got a GoPro Hero 8. So now I have two cameras. I have the Hero 7 and the Hero 8, and one's facing back towards me, and the other one is kind of behind me at an angle, off to the side, facing forward. Hopefully it's turned out. I haven't really got to experiment much with it yet, but as far as riding videos, that's going to make it, I believe it's going to make it, the riding section of my videos better, I hope. That's another thing I'm going to be working on. But anyways, let's go take a look at the water over there. Go take a look at the dam, and then wrap this video up. So thanks for watching. Look forward to the Sturgis 2020 motorcycle rally videos, and subscribe. And, of course I'll be putting everything into one playlist for the whole rally, like I've always done. So let's see. I think I have one more thing I want to say. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I think I've been watching my old videos from the past, I think what I'm going to do, I won't talk as much as I did. Got a little bit of breeze here. I think I'm probably going to be cutting back on my talking, like in the mornings and while I'm at the campsite, but I still will do some filming. So I kind of think I kind of got long-winded at times, but kind of like right now. But anyways, okay, now I'll wrap it up. I'm going to head over. Let's go take a look in the water and wrap this video up. So thanks for watching.